Good day, this is Dr. Amudapriya, Associate Professor Triply, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Parkulam. We are discussing about the course Power System Operation and Control, and in this lecture we will discuss about the operating states. So what does the word state means? So a state is a condition in which the system is in operation. For example, if it is a normal state, then we can assume that all the operating conditions are within the prescribed limits. If suppose it is an alert state, then we can know that there is some problem in which there is a condition where we have to maintain system stability. And next is the emergency state, where the corrective action has to be taken immediately. And it is the extremist state which offers the emergency control to the emergency state and the resynchronization to the restorative state. So if it is a restorative state, then we can understand that that restorative state may lead to the normal state by restarting, or if a restoration control is being provided, it moves to the alert state. So normal state, alert state, emergency state, extremist state and restorative state are the different operating states. Where the normal state, it is a system which is said to be normal if both the load and operating constraints are being satisfied. It is one in which the load demand, total demand on the system is met by satisfying all the operating constraints. When it is an alert state, all the equalities and inequalities have to be satisfied. But on the event of a disturbance, they may get disturbed. If severe disturbances occur, the system will push into emergency state. In order to bring back the system to secure state, preventive or control action has to be carried out. If it is an emergency state, then one or more operating constraints are being violated, but the load constraint is satisfied. In this state, equality constraints are changed. The system will return to the normal or alert state by means of corrective actions, disconnections of faulted sections or load sharing. If it is an extremist state, when the system is in emergency, if no proper corrective action are taken in time, then it goes to either emergency state or extremist state. In this regard, neither the load nor the operating constraint is satisfied. The result is islanding. It will be disconnected. Next is the restorative state. From this state, the system may be brought back either to the alert state or secure state. But the secure state is a slow process. Hence, in bringing back the system to the state of secure state is a restorative control action.